Hi Tomodachi, dito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Toyota Museum. Tapos i-explore natin itong napakagandang museum na to kasi makikita natin dito yung simula ng Toyota, yung mga lumang sasakyan nila. Hello Tomodachi! Welcome back to my channel. Akala nyo tapos na ang Nagoya? Hindi pa! Day 3 na namin dito and today, we're exploring more of Nagoya's underrated spots. Yung mga lugar na madalas hindi napapansin ng mga tourists. From peaceful gardens, cozy bookstores, museums, hanggang chill food spots. Ipapakita namin lahat yan today. Curious ka na ba? Samahan nyo kami sa vlog namin today. Let's begin! We started our day a bit late kasi lahat ng spots na pupuntahan namin is really close to each other. And medyo gusto rin naming mag-chill this morning. Good thing, our Japanese friend Hiroshi offered to drive us around and hang out with us for the day. Super thankful kami sa kanya kasi he knows all the shortcuts and cool hidden spots. Like having a local tour guide but with more fun and jokes. But if you do not have a local tour guide, don't worry Tomodachi. We've been traveling here in Japan for more than a decade and our go-to navigation app is Google Maps. This app never lets us down. Also, Japan trains and buses are the most convenient mode of transportation. If you want to know more about navigating trains and using the app, I'll link the video here so you can check it out later. Finally, andito na kami sa Aeon Mall. I know we've been to Aeon Mall multiple times on my previous vlogs, pero this one is totally different. Trust me, Tomodachi, you'll see why. Inside the mall is a popular photo spot, the Tsutaya Bookstore. Tomodachi, let me show you. This isn't your average bookstore. It's built as a book and cafe space. You can browse books while sipping coffee, chill out, or even hang with family and kids. Perfect na lugar kung gusto mo lang mag-slow down, take photos, or explore. One of the coolest features here is this tall mirrored bookshelf and staircase. Just look at that Tomodachi! Literally makes it feel like the shelves go on forever. Instagram goals! Seriously. Aside from books and magazines, you'll find stationery, lifestyle goods, and a kids section with tons of books and toys. Perfect pang family stop or even kung gusto mo lang mag-relax and read for a while. After our little bookstore adventure, me and Freya decided to visit the Toyota Commemorative Museum of Industry and Technology. At alam nyo ba, this wasn't part of our original itinerary, but Liza highly recommended it. And oh my god, we're so glad we listened. Tickets are 1,000 yen per adult. Super easy. You just select your ticket on the machine, pay cash, and you're in. There's also a rest area near the entrance if you want to pause and take it slow. Hi Tomodachi, dito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Toyota Museum. Tapos i-explore natin itong napakagandang museum na to kasi makikita natin dito yung simula ng Toyota, yung mga lumang sasakyan nila hanggang sa pinaka-latest na sasakyan nila. So, excited na ako. So, tara samahan nyo, explore natin itong Toyota Museum. When you enter, you'll get a full story of how Toyota started. And fun fact, it didn't start with cars, but with textile machinery. That's right, Toyota was originally a textile company before evolving into a global car giant. Tomodachi, ngayon ko lang nalaman na yung cotton pala hot plant pala yun na hina-harvest. So, dahil dito sa Toyota, may natutunan ako. Inside, you'll see the evolution of Japanese manufacturing. From weaving machines, to fabrics, to modern automotive tech. There are classic cars, working machines, interactive exhibits, and even live demonstrations. Ang founder ng Toyota ay si Sakichi Toyoda. Hindi siya car guy at first ha. Isa siyang inventor at ang focus niya talaga ay textile machines. Yung goal niya noon, simple but powerful. Gumawa ng machines na mas mabilis, mas accurate, at mas konti ang nasasayang na tela. Kaya kung papansin nyo, sobrang intricate ng gears, belts, at pulleys. Parang art pero may utak. This area is like stepping into the Industrial Revolution ng Japan. Sobrang intricate ang mga loom machines. May mga gears at pulleys na ginagawang art.
So I'll show the demonstration to make a thread from the cotton. So in the cotton there are many seeds like this. So first I get rid of the seeds with a cotton gin. So please watch the progress. So when I turn the handle, the cotton comes on your side and seeds remain in the back side. Because seeds cannot go through between the rollers. I separate the seeds and cotton like this. I made this cotton fluffy with the ball. I make a cotton stick like this. The cotton fibers are very short, so it's broken easily like this. I draw and twist a little bit at the same time. Yeah, so fibers are joined together like this. I draw the fibers from the cotton stick. こちらも少しねじりながら引っ張ることで手元の綿から繊維がつながります。After twisting, it became much harder.
Ang cool dito. May live demo kung paano umiikot yung mga mekanismo. Parang nakikipagkwentuhan ka with machines. Now, ito yung interesting part. Bakit nga ba Toyota at hindi Toyoda? First, in Japanese writing, ang Toyota ay 8 strokes. At ang number 8 sa Japan ay symbol ng good luck at growth. Second, mas madali daw bigkasin ng Toyota compared sa Toyoda, especially sa international market. So parang sign na rin to from family business to global company. But my initial question is, paano sila napunta sa kotse? Yung anak ni Sakichi Toyoda, na si Kiichiro Toyoda, siya yung may vision beyond textiles. In 1930s, he noticed that Japan was starting to rely heavily on imported cars. And he said, why not gumawa tayo ng sariling sasakyan para sa Japan? Ginamit nila yung profits galing sa loom machines. Yes, itong mga machines na nakikita natin ngayon para pondohan ng car research. So kanina Tomodachi, nakita niyo naman kung paano nagsimula yung paggawa nila ng mga loom, mga ganun. Now, ito may mga kulay na sa likod ko. Kanina puro plain white lang. And nag-start sa manual. Ngayon, ito na. Yung mga yarn nila. may kulay na. So, sobrang ganda dito. Makikita mo talaga yung start from 1980s, 1900s pa nga ata yung iba. So, grabe, solid, super solid. Kung fan kayo ng Toyota, mas magandang makapunta kayo dito kasi makikita nyo yung start nila, the experience. Even if you're not a car enthusiast, this place is fascinating because it's about innovation, craftsmanship, and Japanese industrial history. We've got to see how cotton was processed, how colors were added to fabrics, and the transition into making car seats, and eventually, cars themselves. Walking through is like a time machine. Every section tells a story and is also hands-on. You can press buttons to operate machines and see simulations. Ganda dito. Simula ako kasi makikita mo pinaghirapan ng Toyota. Mga ancestors natin.
Kulang. Sisters mo.
By the way, Tomodachi, if you're enjoying this vlog and discovering stuff you might not see in the usual travel guide, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I make sure each video shows real experiences, tips, and hidden gems, so you won't miss anything in Japan. Let's keep exploring together. Ang galing dito, Tomodachi. Yung principles ng Loom Machines, precision, efficiency, at Jidoka, automation na may human intelligence, iyan din mismo ang ginamit nila sa paggawa ng sasakyan. So kahit lumipat sila from tela to kotse, pareho pa rin ang philosophy. Hindi biglaan ang transition. Evolution siya, hindi shortcut. Kaya ngayon, habang papunta tayo sa Automobile Gallery, isipin nyo, lahat ng makikita nating kotse dito, nagsimula dahil sa isang Loom machine at isang taong naniwala sa innovation. Grabe, di ba? So mga every aisle nila may mga tour guide parang ganun. So some areas here ay merong staff appointed to demonstrate how cotton is collected and turned into a material. Some demonstrate on how people use manual and automated machine. Also, they have a tour guide available if you want one. Right now, may kasabay kaming Japanese tour guide. I believe they have an English tour guide as well, but we already missed it since late na kami pumunta. So, ayan, pupunta na kami sa paggawa ng mga lumang sasakyan, mga prototype. Ito yung sasabi ko sa inyo, nag-explain kanina, tour guide. So, ina-explain nila in Japanese. Nakita niyo to. Ayan. Diba? Solid. Yung mga prototype ng mga lumang mga sasakyan, mga kotseng kuba. Ito. May sukat. Nalagay dyan. 65 inches yung sa wheel, etc. Solid. Ito yung pinapakita niya, ang ganda. Ayan o. Diba? So, ayan. 1,000 yen lang yung entrance fee dito and super solid siya for me. Talagang gusto kong makita yung whole experience ng Toyota ni Mr. Toyoda. Toyoda talaga ang last name niya. Ganda. Ito yung blueprint nung kanina pinakita ko sa inyong mga kotse. Ganda. Talagang nag-start sila sa parang kotseng kuba. May pinadot si Freya. Ayan. Ito yung pinakauna. Yan ba yung pinakauna sa sasakyan? Kala ko may taong nakatayo. Kala ko may nakatayo. Gulat ako. Toyo Pet. Anong Toyo Pet? Ito yung pangalan ng Toyota dati, Toyo Pet. Taga Shizuoka pala si Kiichiro Toyoda, yung founder ng Toyota. Naku-curious lang ako, paano kaya naging Toyota? Ang apelido nga Toyoda. Naging Toyota. So, ayan. Baka malaman natin yan mamaya. Or baka nandadaan ako na hindi ko lang alam kung bakit naging ganun. So, akit na tayo sa taas. Sana medyo makakita na tayo ng mga new model na siyempre palapit na tayo. Mga 1940s ata, ay 70s, 40s yata yung mga kotse na yun pinakita kanina. So, sana makakita tayo ng mas brand new. Ayun na, iba't ibang klase na nakikita ko dito. Itong truck. So, parang ganito yung mga ginagamit natin pag naglilipat ng mga gamit, ng mga vegetable, yung mga, alam niyo, yung mga lumang truck, yung mga ganito itsura. So, parang ganyan. Di ba? Yung ganyan. Yung sa mga movie na napapanood natin, maraming mga ganitong style ng sasakyan, di ba? Yung mga around 70s ata itong mga ganito eh. 36 pa nga yun, no? 1936. Sobrang tagal na. Pakatalino nila. Ano yan naisip ng mga ganyan? Ito na. Uy, ito na nga. Wow. Kahit hindi ka car lover, ma-appreciate mo to kasi araw-araw tayo may nakikita sa sasakyan sa daan. Sa mga pelikulang napapanood natin, may mga kotse tayo nakikita. So, ayun talaga. Diba? So, we have a lot of models here. And, yeah. Like this one. PX truck. This is what I'm saying, guys. Right? So, yun. Come on. Mamaya pupunta tayo dyan. Shit. Dyan lahat, oh. See that? Oh my God. I think this is the first time na makita ako sa personal. Grabe. So, kung may mga nakakaalam sa inyo na ito, Toyota ESV. Ayan. 2-seater car lang siya. Solid. Oh, love it. Kita nyo, hindi ko lang pwede hawakan pero solid. Vintage na vintage. Woo! Anong year ba to? 1973. Look at this engine, boys. See that? First generation Prius. Forma din pala ng Prius eh, no? First generation. Wow. Wow. Solid. Galing. Yun sa labas sa loob. The hybrid one. Modern style na to. See that? Prius PHEV hybrid. We're here na sa Batang Madachi and wow. Just wow. That's all I can say, wow.
Ito na ang Car Gallery, ang pinaka-heart ng museum. Makikita mo dito ang evolution ng Toyota cars, from early prototypes hanggang modern rides. Isa-isa silang naka-display with detailed stories, like ang very first Toyo Pet model. Ang classic, parang nakikita mo yung mga dreams ng founders na unti-unting nagiging realidad.
We We have the Celica 1964 GT. Ayan. Toyota Corolla. This one. Sikat na sikat sa Pilipinas. So this one is the Corolla Sprinter. Itong mga to is around 1960s to 1970s. Itong mga Corolla. Ito yung mga sikat ng panahon na yun. Shit, kilabutan ako. Ang sarap yung drive na yun ito. 2000 GT. See that? See that? Super slick. The 80s Camry. Yung ganyang klase ng likod ng sasakyan, di ba? Ito yung mga sikat dati. Papal natin 70s, 80s, yeah. Not familiar with this one. Tercel. Yeah. Yung kotse kasi dati, mga slick sila, itsura nila. Yung talagang more on corners. Ngayon kasi parang medyo pabilog na, medyo palobo na yung mga itsura ng mga kotse natin dito ngayon. Pero dati talaga, wala mo. Actually, marami pa rin ganito sa Japan. Pero, yun, mas na lumalamang na yung parang mga new modern na medyo parang pabilog. Hindi na yung patulis yung mga gilid-gilid nila. Like this one. Yung ganyang likod, yung patulis. Diba? Ano ba tawag yan? Di kasi ako tipong nerd. Bagong, yung Prius na, yung bago, kumbaga, yung medyo pa-bloom na yung hindi na ganong style ng kotse. Ito Prius 1997 Prius. And this one yung Mirai 2014. And of course, yung Mirai nila na 2020, diba? Mirai. Ganda na yun, slick din, ano? Pero di ba, ito sabi ko sa inyo, tinan mo, di na patulis yung mga gilid, medyo pabilog na. Pero kasi, yun yung modern na itsure. So, I think magkakaroon ng mga hybrid styles na mga ganito. Yun lang yung sa part na yun, medyo mga vintage cars from 30s to 2020s. Hindi pa kasama dito yung mga iba pa nilang mga vans, and puro sedan lang. And now, nakita ko sa taas to, Lexus LFA. This one is 2010 model. Tatlo yung tambucho. Grabe, ganda ng likod. Sports car. So ayan, sana nakita niyo yung mga gandang kotse. Sana kung may mga ganyan mga kayong kotse dati, nag-reminisce sa inyo yung mga lumang sasakyan ng mga tatay, lolo. Ano na kung may mga lolo o may sasakyan, for sure meron silang mga ganyan sa mga napakita ko. So ayan, check naman tayo dun sa mga part na kung saan ginagawa na yung sasakyan. Tara, ito na yung kanina sa Tomodachi, nakita natin na sa taas tayo yung car ko paano nila ginagawa. So ito na siya. Ayan na siya. Grabe, high-tech. This is automatic mounting of engine and chassis. Yes, automatic. Grabe, oh. Sana. Kakabit na lang yan. Machine na bahala. Solid. Ayan, pasok. Pasok na yung engine, pati chassis. Boom. Kotse na. Gulong na lang. Wow. Gulong pinto na lang, kotse na. Sa manibela.
Dito naman, for sure may excite lalo ang mga tech lovers. May mga engines na naka-cut open para makita mo ang internal gears. Parang anatomy class pero for cars. At hindi lang tinitignan ha, may interactive displays ka pa. Try mo i-build parts virtually. Feels like engineer ka. Just press the button to start the machines. And that's the end of our Toyota Museum tour. At the exit, they have a souvenir shop and you can shop for a Toyota merch if you want something to remember your visit by. After the museum, we went back to Aeon Mall and walked just 10 minutes to Noritake Garden. This is a peaceful green space built on the grounds of the former Noritake Ceramics Factory, the company behind one of Japan's most famous tabletop brands for over 100 years. Here, you can stroll through the gardens, take photos, and even see artisans demonstrate porcelain making. There's a small museum as well, plus workshops if you want to try creating your own piece. Next to it is the Noritake Square, Nagoya, a modern lifestyle complex with cafes, restaurants, and shops. Perfect for chilling, eating, or just slow travel vibes. During winter nights, the whole area is magically illuminated. So it's super cozy and picturesque. You'll feel like you're walking in a European city for a bit. It's getting a bit late and we're hungry na, Tomodachi. And since it's winter, of course, ramen ulit. Hiroshi recommended Ganso Tanmenya Komaki, a local favorite in Komaki, Aichi Prefecture. They're famous for tanmen ramen. Hot, flavorful broth, noodles, and lots of vegetables. Perfect for the cold weather. Simple place, but packed with locals, especially in winter. Solid comfort food after a long day of exploring. And syempre, we don't want to end the night just like that. We visited Bear's Family Cafe and Diner in Aisaishi, Aichi. Another Hiroshi recommendation. This cafe is homey, warm, and cozy. Pang locals talaga. They serve desserts, drinks, and comfort food. Perfect for relaxing, chatting, and ending the day in style. Sometimes, these quiet cafes are the best way to experience local Japan, away from the usual tourist crowds. Perfect way to wind down after a busy day of exploring Nagoya. Ayun, Tomodachi! Tapos na ang day 3 namin sa Nagoya. Sobrang dami nating nabisita. From gardens, bookstores, museums, hanggang food at cozy cafes.
Kampai!
Kung nagustuhan nyo ang vlog na ito, please like, comment, and subscribe para hindi nyo ma-miss ang next adventures namin dito sa Japan. You can also watch my playlist link in this vlog for more of our Japan travel lifestyle, shopping, and travel adventures. Salamat sa panonood and see you sa next trip. Solid day! Nagoya conquered! See you on my next vlog. Mata ne, Tomodachi!